everyone. Today, I'm gonna play Animal Crossing. I have like a lot done already. I haven't done a video in a while. So, and make sure you subscribe too.
What are you doing? Show them. Tell them what you're doing.
I think I'll give them an island tour. So like, wait, let me go to the airport. Show you from there.
You have a big island.
Of course I do. So, like when you walk out of Dodo Airlines, you like first see the museum, and then like here's my house right here. I was planning on putting it next to the beach.
You want me to put the sound on?
Yeah. Alright. Here's a plot available. I had this guy called Jay, and then he left, so this is Kylie. I'll show you my map. That might be a lot. So there's all of my residents. Pappy, I don't know how to say their names. Julia, Renee, Celia, Zucker, Bunny, Bunny, Pinky. She is actually really rare. Like, she's popular. And she was watching the fireworks in the intro, maybe. And Kylie, he came to my campsite. I didn't want him, but he replaced Apollo. I had no idea what to do. So, wait, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, I thought you were trying to kick. I gave her that poop hat. I have the upgrade Nooks Cranny, resident services, and the tailor shop. And like, here's my little restaurant area. I have to make more of my progress or things. Here's my resin. We've hit, yeah. So I might record one tomorrow. Hold on, wait. Is there shooting stars? No, I don't think. I thought I heard one. Sorry, it looks kind of like blurry. I'm like 6 now. So like when I used to do videos, I was 2. I don't know. All right. Sorry of that. The thing is wrong. I forgot to charge it. I took the crafting table from here. I put one there. I'm sorry. I was planning on knocking all of this down. I didn't finish it. And tomorrow I might be making like 2 videos. Oh, hermit crab. I already have that. I don't care. My dad just missed a shark when we were testing. This big boy. Catch it. Come on. Come on, fish. Of course. I was always take over. Yeah, my pockets are full. I should go sell some stuff. And here's my little carnival.
Did you give him the full tour of the island, Gab?
No. I don't know what to do. There's Pinky chilling out. I'm gonna sell that later. don't care. There's another big fish. Well, not really. Let's just move on. Wait. So yeah, here's my flower patch, blah, blah, blah. What? That's like it's double as loud in here. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I actually went to, and there's my campsite. Nobody's coming. I have a dog named Apollo. Sorry, I was talking to my dog. All right, here's my little soccer area. I didn't really have a soccer ball, so I had to use a basketball. But I want to give you my house tour. There's a tour. I can't really say things right. I have you. I haven't got the walking stick. There's Pilot Gulliver. When he goes to sleep, Gulliver, he like becomes Gulliver and then Gulliver. Like, I just realized that when he was on there. And look at that. That's so weird to me. I don't even think anybody would put clothes in a refrigerator. I usually put my turnips in here. I already have that. Stone table. If anybody doesn't know any of these, same thing. Oh, I thought this thing was this thing. I'm like, what? Hold on. This thing takes forever. Here's my bedroom. It's still in the making, my house, so. I've never remembered recording this. My bathroom is over here. That's like the best room I think I have in my house, basically. Here it is. You can't change in here or like change your look. It's so weird to me. I'm gonna put this in storage. I like listening. Alright, let me put this away. Keep doing that. What is wrong with me? Okay. I don't know what we're doing, basically. I don't know why I added that frog in there. I should probably take it out. Alright. Oh wait, I forgot to show you my playroom. I made a playroom. Get back in. I feel so weird recording this. I might do another one tomorrow. Why do I even have that? Place it. Why do I even have that there?
Right, Gab, show them the rest of the island, then you gotta go. You got time for bed. They can hear you, and they can hear me. Alright, so say goodnight.
Wait, I didn't mean to do that.
And tell them to make sure that they subscribe to your channel, and then you're going to show them more tomorrow.
Yeah, so subscribe to my channel. I might do more tomorrow, and then like a different theme, maybe. Let's see how it goes. So I have to go ahead to bed. So wait. Bye.